Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 13th of May. Yesterday, yesterday we were looking for sales below 32.58, and we actually got the sales. We had the candle close below. Then the entry was over here, so I took my sell from this point, pushed all the way to take profit one and two. Right. See, congratulations to everybody that took this sell. It was a profit. Remember, we had said that we are selling below 32.58. So we had a very nice candle that closed, the body closed below 32.58 area. And we took a sell from that point, pushed on to take profit one, take profit two. Right now the market started consolidating and now it's pushing back up. So let's first of all see what we have in terms of today's on the 12th, 13th, sorry. So let's see in terms of news. Today we have in the climate count, it's already gone at 9, and then we have the CPI, right? So today we're having the CPI, and then we have Governor Bailey will be speaking at 6 p.m. on the GBP. So the CPI, I'll be doing it live today, and it's gonna be yeah, it's a live session. If you need the link again, just reach out to me. I'm gonna be posting it on the description on this video as well. And yeah, let's meet up let's trade the CPI at 3 p.m. Okay. Right, to get back, let's do a quick analysis. Basically, this is gonna be the pre-CPI analysis. All right. Mm, Let's do this again. A quick price action based on the market structure. So we're going to be using support and resistance. So we're going to be looking at the lowest and the highest of the candles or the structure. So definitely on the monthly bit, we're using the monthly resistance as the monthly, yes, last month's high and last month's low, because this month it's just in the middle over here. Onto the weekly side. Weekly, we're gonna pull in something like that. We're gonna say that's a weekly low over here. Um, hmm. Onto the highs as well. We're not gonna ignore this point. Of course, the market pushed all the way up and then got rejected from that point. So you see, it's a valid place. And still the daily high, the daily low is over here. All right. Okay, we go down to 4 hours. We see how the market's behaving. Remember, the market has a gap yesterday, closed with a gap, opened with a gap, sorry. Okay, gonna consider this point as the point that we want to see how the market behaves like. Okay, so I'm gonna go to 1 hour and see. I know all of these are points, but all of these are very valid points where the market should be. Well, what I'm interested with is that the market broke above this point. Let me show you. Let me show you the market broke above that point. And now it looks like it's pushing actually up. Looks like it's pushing up. That could be a very nice area for buys, as you see from this candle. This candle as well is still within the zone because you put your stop loss just below this point. Over here, we go down to 30 minutes, same thing happening over here. All right. So basically what we do is you could wanna pick this over here. I'll say we do buys above this point. Oh, 33.56. No, actually, just to be safe, let's take a buy from that point. Yeah, let's take a buy from a break above that point. That's gonna be 32 63. Yeah, 32.63, sorry. Yep. Let's pick a buy from that. But should it come down to bounce over here first, you can take another one from here. This will be a very good low to continue pushing up. Again, we have this area over here, long position. I'll pick it from this point, push it all the way to that point, like that. Mhm. Over there. Then in terms of sales, what are we doing? We had a break over there that was broken. We want to do a sell below this point. Okay. It's not really a good, it's not really giving. It's not really giving as such, but let's see. Yeah, at that point, then we can go down over there, these points over here. So these are very important points. Can't ignore them. Actually, this could be a nice potential aggressive sell. I don't know why. Yeah. All right. Short position over here. Yep. So this is what I'm gonna be looking at today. If the market breaks ever kind of breaking down, body closing down here, I'm gonna be selling from this point, aggressive, and continue pushing down. Should we break above this point, I'm gonna take a buy and see how it behaves because I still want this gap to be filled. But like I told you, it's about the time frames. You don't know when, but it's definitely gonna be closed, all right? Let's keep an eye on that. Let's see how the market behaves today. Trade what you see, not what you think. And let's meet in the evening for CPI. All right. Bye bye, guys, and have a good day. Right. Everybody have a good one. Just manage your trade well. Bye.